Hi, welcome back to my channel. নমস্কাৰ এটি নতুন ভিডিঅ'ৰ সৈতে মই ৰুবি আপোনালোক সকলোকে পুনৰবাৰ মোৰ চেনেল axomjiyorirubiলৈ স্বাগতম জনাইছো আজি মই আপোনালোকৰ আগত শ্বেয়াৰ কৰিবলৈ গৈ আছো টাই এণ্ড ডাই প্ৰচেছটো যেটো আপোনালোকে কেনেদৰে কৰিব আৰু কৰাৰ পাছত কাপোৰত দেখিবলৈ কেনেকুৱা লাগে আপোনালোকে ভিডিঅ'টো শেষলৈকে চাই থাকিব আৰু তাতে মই গোটেই প্ৰচেছটো কৈ দিছো তেনেহলে আৰু বেছি পলম নকৰাকৈ বলকচোন আজিৰ ভিডিঅ'টো আৰম্ভ কৰো
Tie and dye is an art of applying color to the selected area of pattern. The most glowing color and pattern are obtained by folding the material several times and tying it. For that, cut the 5 pieces of cloth material of size 10 inch into 10 inch from the desized poplin material. Now, tie the 5 pieces of fabric by using 5 different techniques. For the techniques, the first one is flower motif. To get the flower motif, draw or trace the design. In this way, you can get the outlines. Now take a needle and thread and make tiny running stitches along the trace outlines. Start with a big knot and do running stitches and end without knotting the thread. Then pull the thread tightly, wind it and fasten it. Motif for this type of design must be geometrical or floral. The second one is circular design. For that, hold the material from the center like an umbrella, tie at different places depending upon the design. The tying portion should be equal distance from one tied area to the other. The third one is strap design. For this, the strap design gives stripe effect throughout the fabric. It can be obtained in 3 ways: diagonal, vertical and horizontal. They are made by tying up the whole width of the fabric. The whole width of the fabric should be pleated from selvage to selvage. They are made tied with separate thread starting from one end to another, leaving a distance of half to 1 or 2 inches or as desired. The fourth one is the marble effect. For this effect, choose the center of the cloth material. Take a fork and place it on the center. Now move the fork in clockwise direction till the end. For the diamond effect, make the stripes according to the stripe design. Now from one end, shape it like a triangle. Continue the process till the other end. Now for the process of dyeing, take a pan and add 5 cups of water. Let it boil. After boiling, add 5 tablespoons of turmeric powder into the boiling water. Let it again boil for half an hour. After boiling it, strain it out using a strainer. Let it cool for some time. Again take a pan and pour the strained turmeric dye into it. Allow it to boil for some time. Now dip the tight pieces into the fresh water. Now add 1 tablespoon of vinegar to the solution for darkening the color. If decreasing water level is noticed, then add some amount of water to make up the 5 cup level water. Let it cool for some time. Now add the tight cloth material into the boiling water and boil it for 1 hour. After boiling, rinse the dyeing pieces with a fresh water. And now dry in shade and leave it for overnight. In the next morning, cut the thread from the dyeing pieces by using a sharp paper cutter or a knife. Make sure the cloth material should not be cut. And from this process, you can get the final result of tie and dye process. So here is the final outcome, the flower motif, the circular design, the stripe design, the marble effect, and the last, the diamond effect. Okay, thank you for watching.